While none of the world's problems will be fixed by shopping alone, there are a lot of different ways that you can use your buying power to become a part of the solution this holiday season and beyond. Let's get into it. If you're looking to buy phone accessories like chargers and cases, check out a company called Nimble. They make their products from renewable and recycled materials, like this phone case made from recycled CDs and this portable charger made from recycled aluminum. Nimble products range in price from about $20 to $120 and don't ship with any plastic packaging, but they do include a biodegradable prepaid shipping pouch with every purchase. You can fill the pouch with old electronic devices, plastic cases, and cables and send it in to Nimble's e-waste recycling partner. Nimble says they've collected over 1,000 pounds of e-waste through this program since launching it in 2018. Next up is the Ocean Cleanup Project, which just revealed its first product made with recycled plastic from the Great Pacific Garbage Patch. And that product is, drumroll please, sunglasses. 100% of the proceeds from these shades goes toward continuing the ocean cleanup, with each pair sold funding the removal of about 24 football fields worth of garbage. What I really appreciate about these glasses is the fact that no details were spared in trying to make buyers feel as much a part of the cleanup process as possible. The case that the glasses come in isn't just styled after the first ocean cleanup system, it's actually made from recycled plastic from that very system. The pouch that holds the glasses is also made from recycled plastics and styled after the huge bags that the ocean cleanup uses to store garbage after it's been hauled out of the ocean. Of course, the frames of the glasses themselves are made with reclaimed ocean plastic, and each pair includes a unique QR code on the side of the glasses that you can scan with your phone to bring up video of the plastic in your pair of glasses being brought up out of the ocean. You can become a part of the Ocean Cleanup's mission to turn trash into treasure for $199. Now, for the hikers, campers, and disaster preppers in your life, consider the Lifestraw. This essential tool removes harmful bacteria and parasites from drinking water while you drink. Lifestraw also donates community filters to school children around the world, promising that for each Lifestraw sold, a child gets safe drinking water for an entire year. You can get yourself an original Lifestraw for about $20, and they've got a bunch of other filtration devices for individuals and whole families alike. Last but certainly not least, Bombas Socks. Bombas promises to donate one pair of socks to a person in need for each pair of socks purchased. The company originally came up with the idea based on the fact that socks are the #1 most requested item at homeless shelters. Bombas says that they've donated over 40 million pairs of socks so far, and if socks aren't your thing, they've also got t-shirts. You can get yourself and somebody in need a pair of Bombas socks starting at $14. Hope you found this video helpful. If you've got any other suggestions for ways to make a difference with your buying power, let us know down in the comments. As always, thanks so much for watching. I'm your host, Jesse Orrell. Stay safe out there, everybody.